Alec, and we have another video for you guys. It's Johan's birthday today, and we're going on the New Del Mar out of Marina Del Rey. We're going to be catching some rockfish today. See you on the water. I think I got something on. I'm not sure. Yeah, we got something small. Yeah, he's not a keeper. And I got somebody else's line.
Hey, that's a whole rig.
Small one. Oh snap. Why is this slack all of a sudden? There we go. Yo, this is a nice one. Whatever the hell it is. Where is he? Fuck my arm. Shit, my arm. Oh, look at that salmon grouper. Look at all this stuff he threw up. Yeah. Hey guys, we're back from Johan's fishing birthday. It was awesome. Everybody caught a whole bunch of fish. We just had a great time. So now we're back at home. We're going to make some fish tacos with our rockfish we caught. So we'll see you in the kitchen. Okay, so now we have our fish cut up in the sizes that will fit into a taco. 1 bottle of beer, poured it into a bowl, and we're getting 1 tablespoon of this taco seasoning, and we're putting it inside and mixing it. We're going to leave this for about an hour to soak.
Can I get all that in there?
Okay. Be back in an hour.
Alright, get that.
Okay, so now we emptied out all of our sauce, all of our liquids from the fish. Now we're going to pour a cup of flour into a bowl. We're going to put a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt, and then half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to add 1 cup of beer to it. It's beer battered fish. We're going to make tacos with it. Now we gotta whisk it. In the meantime, while our oil heats up, we're gonna make a sauce. 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Okay. We're gonna put half a lime. Squeeze it really good. There we go. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1, 2. Just leave that in there. We'll get the rest out right now.
Okay.
And then half a tablespoon of garlic salt.
Teaspoon.
Teaspoon, not tablespoon. There we go. Alright, mix that up. Alright, And we'll be back once our oil is all heated up. Okay, so we have our batter. Our oil is ready. We're getting our fish, dipping it in the batter. And we're just like smearing some of it off. This is too much. And then I'm gonna be careful so the oil doesn't jump.
Put it out.
Slowly put the fish in. They cook really fast, so just wait till they get golden. Like this one's already starting to change colors. And then flip them over. Not for too long. 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side. And these are very thin pieces, so. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. We're ready to flip them already. Oh, look at that. It's golden. Oh, it smells like beer. Perfect. Sit for a couple more minutes and we'll be good. Okay, so now we just took them out and we're just putting them on a paper towel so all the oil gets off of it while we heat up tortilla breads. So we had a great time. Johan had his first fish. He really liked it. I'm glad. I forgot to mention on the boat there was a raffle. I won this new Del Mar hat. It was a great time, and just a huge thank you to Johan and his family for taking us on the trip. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time on the water.
All hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.